Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a really practical and nifty little trick for you, especially if you work with spreadsheets often. We're going to learn how to generate a completely random list of names, and you can use this technique for so many things, from drawing random winners for a giveaway to mixing up teams, or even just having a bit of fun with your data. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to use Google Sheets or Excel to pull random items from any list you choose, and build a new random list with ease. Let's jump right in. I'm going to use a simple example. Let's say we have a list of fruits, but this could be people's names, places, tasks, whatever you need. So picture a column in your spreadsheet starting at cell A2, and in A2 through A6, you've got 5 fruits: apple, banana, mango, orange, and grape. Just type those in, each one on its own row. Having your data organized neatly like this is always a good habit, because it helps keep things clear and easy to work with, especially if your lists get long. Now, to generate a random fruit from this list, move over to cell B2. Here, where the magic happens, you're going to type in this formula. Equals index A2 A6 ran between 1 count to A2 A6. Let me break down for you exactly what's happening here step by step so you really understand the power behind this formula. The index function is like giving your spreadsheet a set of instructions. Hey, pick something from this list I'm pointing at. In our case, that list is the range from A2 to A6 where our fruits are. Now, the second part, ran between 1 count to A2 A6, is where the randomness happens. Randomize is going to generate a whole number between 1 and however many items are in our list. Counta is simply counting how many entries we've got in our fruits list, that's 5. So every time this formula recalculates, it picks a random position in the list and pulls the fruit from that spot. Simple, but super effective. Go ahead and hit enter, and you'll notice B2 now displays one of those 5 fruits totally at random. Now, to really see the power of this, we want more than just one fruit. Let's say you want to generate several random choices. Here's a trick that's really handy. Hover over the lower right corner of the cell you just filled, and when your cursor turns into a little plus sign, drag it down for as many rows as you want random names. For example, if you drag it down 5 more rows, each cell will show a randomly selected name from your original list. It's worth noting these results can and will repeat because every time the formula gets recalculated, Randomize is free to pick the same value more than once. So if you're making teams or want every name only once, there are more advanced ways, but for picking random samples, this is absolutely perfect. If it looks like the values change every time you update the sheet, that's normal. Formulas like Randomize are designed to recalculate whenever your sheet changes or refreshes. If you want to lock in your random results after generating them, you can always copy the entire column of formulas, then right-click and choose Paste Values to keep those picks fixed in place. And that's all there is to it. With just one clever formula and a quick drag, you can generate as many random items as you need without any manual effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions, or maybe you want to see more spreadsheet tricks like this. And of course, hit subscribe so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.